What? Jessica, you're ruining it. Again. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Josephine and I'm a registered nurse, and here we talk about the journey through pregnancy for new moms, motherhood, and inspiration. And today I have my older sister Jessica. Tell them, what are we gonna do today?
What up? So I found the best reviewed lactation cookies on the internet by Home Sweet Eats, and we're going to taste test them today.
Yes, we're going to eat them. We're going to make them. Oh wait, we're going to make them. We're going to eat them. We'll let you know how it is. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. We got this recipe from How Sweet Eats, so it's not our recipe, we're just reviewing it. So Jessica, what do we need?
All right, we've got ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, salt, cane sugar, 2 eggs, oats, old-fashioned oats, baking powder, ground flaxseed, coconut oil, semi-sweet chocolate chips, all-purpose flour, nutritional yeast. The recipe calls for brewer's yeast, but this is a good substitute in case you cannot find brewer's yeast, baking soda, and unsalted butter.
Perfect. Okay, let's start mixing. Jessica, tell me what I need.
We need to mix the oats, flour, yeast, baking powder, baking powder, I got this little thing.
Okay, we're done mixing our dry ingredients. We're done mixing our dry ingredients.
Okay.
Now
Now put them in a bowl. So we need to use the mixer for our wet ingredients.
okay.
Okay. Now we're going to mix the butter, coconut oil.
Butter? Where my butter?
Butter.
My butter. My honey's at home. Sorry. Okay.
Coconut oil.
Okay. Next.
And then you beat it on medium speed.
I need to beat it.
Medium speed.
Medium.
Okay. Now add in sugar.
Sugar. One by one or all together?
It says add in the sugar and beat on medium to high speed.
Uh-oh, I spilled. Uh-oh.
Man overboard!
Man overboard.
For this one, you'll want to beat a little faster for 4 to 5 minutes.
Alright, when it's done, it should look this fluffy. So you want to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. So once you separate the egg whites with the egg yolks, put the eggs into the butter sugar mixture and mix. Okay, now we're gonna add our dry ingredients to our wet gradually.
Oh, man overboard.
We'll scrape the dough off with the attachment. And then add the best part, chocolate chip. Mix in the chocolate chips. She can get the rest of the chunks in there, it'll be great. Okay, she's gonna continue to mix it and then we'll roll it into balls. So this is what the cookie dough should look like Okay, roll it up. Roll time. Okay, don't miss the mouse by now. Okay, now, how big?
1 inch rounds.
Okay, so why we're making lactation balls is because my twin sister is breastfeeding and she's trying to produce more milk. And the ingredients in here, like the Breyer's yeast is supposed to be a
Brewer's yeast.
oh brewer's yeast is supposed to be a stimulant for milk production, and then you have oats, you have flax seeds that actually increase the phytoestrogen in your body, which actually helps produce more healthy breasts, and it should produce more healthy breast milk. So, and now we're just gonna pop these in the oven for how long?
10 to 14 minutes.
What she said.
Or until golden brown.
Okay. They're ready. Oh, that's heavy. They look good. Okay, let's try.
What are you doing?
Trying to take them off because it's getting stuck.
You recording?
Oh, I am.
What?
Jessica, you're ruining it.
How am I ruining it?
Crumbs. Look at the crumbs.
Look at the crumbs.
Oh, whatever.
Okay,
Okay.
again.
So you're probably wondering why 2 childless women are making lactation cookies. Well, our sister, Josephine's twin, recently had a baby, and she is also trying to increase her milk production by pumping.
Yeah.
So we thought this would be a very fun and tasty experiment to see if this actually helps.
And according to a study done by the International Journal of Women's Health from the NIH, they concluded that there was no conclusion, that they couldn't definitively say whether these ingredients actually made a difference in milk lactation production. So, but I will say that 51% of the women who were in the study stated and believed that they had more milk production alongside pumping. So, we're over here just trying to make some cookies and see if it actually produces more milk.
At the end of the day, there are a ton of anecdotal reports out there from moms who claim lactation cookies help, but there's not enough definitive research that actually show a causation.
Yeah.
So, take that as you wish.
So we're just here for the tasty treats, and let's see what Mama thinks. Come on, Joyce. This is my twin sister, and Micah, and she's gonna try these cookies. Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Okay,
Oh,
let's
that's
try.
good.
Well, let's try.
Mmm.
That's pretty good.
Thumbs up. Would actually recommend this recipe.
How sweet eats.
Mm-hmm. Very good. And if you want to see more videos like this, or on tips on motherhood or pregnancy, definitely subscribe to my channel, like the video, and until then, remember, it's always a great day to go. We will see you guys later. Bye! Bye!
Eat my cookie. Yo, this is good.
Mm.